What is sitz bath? A sitz bath is often recommended for people who have irritation to their perineal or bottom area because of piles, pregnancy, fissure, menstrual cramps, fistula, hemorrhoids. Also, it is widely used for cleaning vagina post-menstruation. How does a sitz bath help? No more hurting on your knees by sitting in plastic tub placed on the ground. Sitz bath makes you comfort and rectify your painful experience. If you use a plastic tub, the bottom will hit the ground. Bad in sitz bath, bottom not hitting the ground, and the sink reaches the bottom area. Using sitz bath on the toilet, lift the toilet seat and put the plastic sitz bath in the toilet bowl. Fill 2/3 of sitz bath with warm water with 37 to 39 degrees Celsius. Add antiseptic, only on doctor's prescription. Carefully sit down on the plastic sitz bath and soak your bottom area for 10 to 15 minutes. When finished, dry your bottom. Clean the plastic sitz bath every time you use it. Benefits of sitz bath: cleanses, soothes the skin, swelling goes down, eases discomfort. Thank you.